Hey guys, welcome. Today I'm going to show you guys a really easy method of doing the tortoiseshell nails. First off, you want to start off with a yellow base. Again, it doesn't have to be a certain kind of yellow. This is the yellow that I used. And again, it doesn't have to be applied perfectly either because you just want one single layer of yellow. Next, after you've applied your yellow base, you want to apply black gel polish to the nail. What you're going to do is make sure that you're taking off the excess polish off of the brush, because again, you want this layer to be really light, transparent almost. So you're going to start off by applying little blobs of black to the nail. It doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, once you have that down, you're going to pop this in the lamp for 30 seconds to cure. Hi Vanessa! Again, the tortoiseshell nails are really popular right now for fall. I've seen them all over Instagram, and I've seen them done so many different ways. A lot of times people use a mixture of brown and yellow gels to create the look. Okay, so now that that is done curing, you're going to go back in with your black polish, and we're going to go over the previous black. Doesn't have to be in the center, but you do want this second layer to be more opaque. I feel like it adds more depth to the design this way. You can even go outside of that first design there. I just want to dab that on. You could even add like little dots outside if you want to. Okay, I'm going to put this back in the lamp for an additional 30 seconds. Close up my lids here before I knock them over. Once that's done curing, the next product that I use is the Marble Tints by Cheri and Nailjob in Tourmaline Brown. Okay. I'm gonna go over with the Marble Tints. I'm gonna put a thin layer all over the nail, like so. I'm gonna cover up most of that yellow. Okay. Now I do like to let it dry in between coats. The marble inks do dry pretty fast. I'm going to go over again, this time randomly. I'm just blotting that on. See how it kind of creates like that marbling effect? kind of circular in design. I feel like that's kind of what you want when you're creating a tortoiseshell design. It looks really cool once you add the top coat on. Oh yes, I like that one right there, yeah. Okay. So I really like the way this looks. I'm gonna let it dry for a couple more seconds before I add the top coat on. You do want to use a top coat that's high shine or really glossy. Today I am using the Kupa gel top coat. Okay, I'm gonna add it directly on. Okay, and we are going to put this in the lamp for 60 seconds. The thing I like about the tortoiseshell nails is that it looks really good as an accent or on all 10 fingers, you know, as a whole set. You could also add gold flakes to your tortoiseshell nails, or you can add gold charms on top of it just for that extra pop. And then once that's done curing, this is what it looks like. So there you go, my tortoiseshell nail tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye.